Loving how you wind up. For me, tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me, yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Love it.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back into the channel. Gorgeous, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm revealing another wig. This wig is from SVT wig. So this hair is hairband wig. I have done so many hairband wigs. I thought of switching the style from the normal styles we used to do. I found out that you can style this hairband wig in many ways that you wish to style it. So in this video, I want to show you how easy you can style your hairband wig. I'm going to leave the details of this wig on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. So first thing first, you guys know my edges are damaged. Pardon that, I've been fighting to bring back my edges. The struggle is real, it's not easy.
The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo.
If you have good hairline, thank God for you, and I'm so happy for you, because mine, they are damaged. So I just lay my baby hairs and I tied it down.
Yeah, loving the way you.
So after that, I lose it. I'm popping on the hairband wig. That's it. You can see the band, because the hairband wig, if it is your first time seeing this kind of wig, it is a wig that comes with a band. Okay, so I just popped that on. I'm brushing it. You can see the wig. The hair is tangle free. It has no smell, and also it did not shed.
I keep falling again. I keep falling again in love.
So now this is the normal style, classic style. You can style your hairband wig. Just wear the band that came with it, put it in the front, and voila, that is it. This is gorgeous. So I said to myself, let me do something different from all I've done before. So you can see I decided to part my hair halfway. I promise you, if you have good edges, you're going to love this. You can start this hairband wig in so many ways, so many forms that you want.
Love, you move fast for me. Can catch up.
So after that, I just comb the hair, share the hair into two, then put it in a bund and the back as well. So gorgeous, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you check that out. And please, before you go, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate.
Since I lay my eyes on you, my baby, I just want to make your dreams come true.
I use the comb to secure it at the middle, then at the back as well. So what I did, after securing the wig, I'm just going to brush my hair on top, then I'm going to pack it. You guys are going to see. So let me leave you guys, watch me do my thing, okay, so that you can do the same. If you get this hairband wig, you can do the same thing, and I promise you, if your edges are good, you're going to enjoy this hairband wig, because you will style it in so many ways. All right guys, let me leave you guys to watch, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. Don't forget to check that out, and I will see if there's any discount code. I'm going to leave it as well. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, ciao.
But sometimes I wish you would hear me out and listen to what's on my mind. Yeah. Since I lay my eyes on you, my baby, I just want to make your dreams come true. My lady, if you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when shit gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? want true love, true love.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attended. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. No one babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife, you want the drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attended. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you fall from home, but I'm still close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush that re-up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attended. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Got me all lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean.